Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Today, we're going to continue our study of box and whisker plots because sometimes you need multiple anchor charts to really help you get a good grasp of a given concept, and box and whisker plots are no exception. And if you remember from the previous video, we did temperatures in the Midwest and how they kind of jumped around a little bit because the weather jumps around in the Midwest quite a bit. Now we're going to apply box and whisker plots to the years of experience of airline pilots. And so in this case, 10 airline pilots were surveyed and they gave their years of experience, in which we have 2, 5, 5, 9, 9, 13, 15, 16, 24, 27. These numbers are put in order from least to greatest. Because we have 10 numbers, 10 numbers in our data set, we're going to have to circle 3 sets of numbers just to get the median. And so as you see right here, because everything is even, we have to kind of find the number that's in between the numbers that we circle. And so let's take a look at the number in the middle. Let's get quartile 2 first, in which we have to circle 9 and 13. And when we circle 9 and 13, we're going to add 9 and 13 together, then divide by 2. 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So 11 years is really the median of the entire data set, as represented by this line right here, the first line we're going to use to create our box part of the box and whisker plot. Now let's go over to the lower half of the data. Okay, the numbers that are lower right here, these 4 numbers right here, and we notice that we have to circle 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 divided by 2, of course, is 5. And so 5 is the median, okay, of the lower half of the data. And then let's go ahead to the upper half of the data, in which we have to circle 16 and 24, because 16 plus 24 will give us 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20, and 20 is the median of the upper half of the data, or the upper quartile. And so let's kind of go over that again. The minimum value is 2 years. Okay, the lower quartile is at 5. The median of the entire data set is at 11. And 20 is at the upper quartile. It is the median of the upper range of numbers, while 27 in this particular survey represents the maximum numbers, represent the maximum years a particular pilot served doing his duty. And so with that in mind, we know that we have the minimum value of 2. Q1 is 5, Q2 is 11, Q3 is 20, and the maximum value is 27. And as you can see, there's a little bit of a shorter whisker right here between 5 and 2, meaning that there are some younger pilots that were kind of surveyed right here for the information that we have right here. So in this way, box and whisker plots are important, because then it lets you know that the particular number you surveyed, the sample size that you got, it lets you know that I surveyed a younger group of pilots or an older group of pilots, which can happen. And the median, again, is at 11. And so that's in the middle of the data set, still a younger group of pilots, because the middle number is right at 11 years. And then at the upper end, we have 20 right here. And so, and then the maximum number is 27. And notice how this whisker is a little bit longer, indicating that in this particular group of pilots, 27 was the highest one, and it's a little bit of an anomaly, right? It's a little bit of an outlier in this case. And so box and whisker plots help us read better the data that is given to us. And so you received a lot of information, and with that in mind, you can pause the video and take a look at how to create a box and whisker plot, or you can replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, comment, share, like, and I repeat, like, and then please subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.